Tried everything to fix that stubborn bifold door that will not stay closed. Try as you might. Maybe it's the worn hinges. A visual inspection may quickly give you an answer. It could be that over time, gravity has worn down the plastic spacers in the hinges. Open the door. Look for the lower plastic spacer. It's missing. Close the door. See how the hinges overlap, preventing the door from fully closing. Here's a new set of hinges purchased on Amazon. They're from Taiwan and are closely but not exactly the same as the original hinges from Japan. Notice how they don't exactly fit the old screw holes. Using the old holes will cause a slight bend in the hinge, which may eventually lead to extra wear on the new spacer and a future failure to close. Of course, you can always drill new holes. At any rate, either way, in the near future, your door should now stay closed. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.